Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Anaconda for Python data science, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by installing Anaconda from the official website. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Open the Anaconda Navigator once the installation is finished. You will see a user-friendly interface with various options. Click on the Environments tab on the left side of the screen. Here, you can create a new environment for your project. Click the Create button. Choose a name for your new environment. Select the version of Python you wish to use. After that, click the Create button to set up the environment. Once the environment is ready, click on the Home tab. From here, you can launch applications like Jupyter Notebook or Spider. To open Jupyter Notebook, click the Launch button under the Jupyter icon. A new browser window will open, showing the Jupyter dashboard. Navigate to the folder where you want to create your project. Click on the New button to create a new Python file or notebook. Choose Python 3 to start coding in your new notebook. Begin writing your Python code for data analysis. Make sure to save your notebook frequently. You can install additional packages by opening the terminal from Anaconda Navigator. Enter the command to install any library you need. For example, use pip install pandas to install the pandas library. Once your packages are installed, return to Jupyter Notebook. Import the necessary libraries at the top of your notebook. Use your data science skills to analyze data and generate insights. When you're done, save your work and exit Jupyter Notebook. This workflow allows for efficient and organized data science projects using Anaconda. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.